smaller?
Bigger.
Bigger. How much bigger? Plus 1. So if we did this next one here, if we said 26 plus 1, what's this number out going to be?
27.
Were you guys right?
Yeah.
Good job. All right, so that was a pretty simple one to get our brains ready to go. Sometimes they get trickier though. So tell me a number to go into the machine. Who can give me a number that we can put in? Jackson.
1,000.
1,000. Oh my goodness. All right, we'll put the number 1,000 in. Okay, and we have to figure out a rule. So if we're still doing our plus 1, what's going to come out? 1,000 plus 1 is going to be what, Max?
1,001.
1,001. Good job. Whew, 1,001. Some of the kiddos have reached 1,001 because they chose to keep going on their number scrolls, which is awesome. Now, the rule, boys and girls, doesn't always have to be plus 1. Sometimes it's plus 10. Sometimes it's plus 2. Sometimes it's even minus 2. And if you don't know how to do that, what do you just give up and say, I can't do that, that's too hard? No, we won't do plus 100. You guys are so smart, you could do it though. You're right. Do you just give up and say, I can't do it, it's too hard?
No.
What could you use to help you figure out the answer? Kaden. Exactly.
Pretty much look at anything.
Exactly, you can pretty much look at anything. Miss Stadler cannot take your fingers away on a math test. And I wouldn't want to. You guys get to use those fingers on the test, okay? All right, so this next one here. These silly hearts get in our way. Isn't that just silly? That's okay. That's all right. We'll figure it out. So here, it went from 4 to 14. It went from 12 to 22. It went from 10 or 20 to 30. And 15 to 25. Are the numbers getting bigger or smaller? Give me a thumbs up if they're getting bigger, thumbs down if they're getting smaller. I want to see thumbs from everybody. Awesome. We all say they're getting bigger. They're getting bigger. Does anybody notice how much bigger? Cece?
5.
Close. You are close. Yeah?
10.
10. It's getting 10 bigger. Do you know which one really made it easy for Miss Stadler to tell? This one right here. If you see the ones that are like 20 to 30, you know that if you count by 10s, you go 20, 30, 40. Hey, that must be getting 10 bigger. All right, so here we have to figure out what the rule is for this one. They give you all the answers. They tell you 3 came in, or you put a 3 and a 5 came out. 7 to 9, 18 to 20, 6 to 8. First thing we have to do, is it getting bigger or smaller? Give me your thumbs. Show me. Bigger or smaller? Good job. We should all have a plus sign. How much bigger? We could say 3, 4, 5. How much bigger? Everybody. 2. Good job.
I figured that out like in the beginning.
You figured that out in the beginning? That's awesome. So you could say 3, and you can check your answer. 3, 4, 5. Is that the right answer? Yep. 7, 8, 9. Is that the right answer? 18, 19, 20. Is that the right answer? Beautiful. Okay, here's the next one. First we had a 15, then we have a 5.
Oh, it's going smaller.
Oh my goodness. 26 went to 16.
Easy.
49 to 39. 50 to 40. Okay, show me your thumbs. Wah, wah, thumbs down. So we know we're subtracting. Okay, how much are we subtracting? Everybody. 10. 10. Good job. Yeah, but also I want to point out something else. I noticed somebody said, look at the 50 and 41. That gives us a good answer. But also look at the number in the ones place. Do you see how that's staying the same? That's staying the same in all of them. We have the 5 and 5. And the 9 and the 9. Yes, Eli. We do this every day during morning meeting, don't we? Yeah, that's kind of like how many days have we been in school?
Yeah.
To figure that out, that's going to help our brains. Good connection, Eli. All right, I put in a 2. Out came a 4. This one's tricky. I put in a 6. Out came a 12.
What? What? What?
I put in a 3. Out came a 6.
What? What? This?
I put in a 5. Out came a 10.
Oh. What? Oh.
This one's getting bigger by 2. This one's getting bigger by 6. Oh, something else must be happening here. Well, let's start with our first thing. Bigger or smaller?
Small. Bigger.
Bigger. All the numbers are getting bigger. But how much bigger? Can anybody find the pattern for this, right?
2.
Close. If it was plus 2, it would be 6 plus 2. We would have an 8 here. That would work for the first one, but for the second one, it doesn't quite work. Kaden.
It's probably in the teens.
Maybe in the teens if we were using a big number, but then this one's only 2 bigger, so it wouldn't be that number. Eli, do you think you see it? Parker, do you see it?
Doubles.
All right, guys, look at it. Try doubles. What's 2 plus 2?
4.
What's 6 plus 6?
12.
What's 3 plus 3?
6.
What's 5 plus 5?
10.
So you are just plus doubles.
Good job, Parker.
Nice job. That's tricky. That was kind of when I thought, I might stump my first graders on, but it didn't work. You guys are too smart. I love it. How about if I put a 10 in? What's our answer going to be then if it's doubles?
20.
20. Good job. How about if I put a 1 in?
2.
You guys are too smart. How about a 7?
8. 14.
14. You're doubling it. Good job. All right. Here is what it will look like on your homework. So this one, they didn't give you the rule, and they didn't give you all the answers. It went from 3 to 7, 10 to 14. Is it getting bigger or smaller? Show me your thumbs.
Bigger.
Yep. Good job. It's getting bigger. Now we have to figure out how much bigger. Let's count from 3 to 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many bigger did it get? Does the next one work? 10 plus 4?
Yeah.
Okay, that works. That would be 14. How about what's 9 plus 4? Max, what's 9 plus 4?
13.
Good job.
Wait, so this is going to be the answer?
Yeah. Plus 4 was the right one.
Wait, on your blue folders?
No. Not on your blue folder. Good
But
try.
you said homework.
Well, this is just like what's on your
Oh.
homework. Not the exact
Only
same one.
5.
I know, right? What is 15 plus 4, Jackson?
15 plus 4. 19.
Good job. I saw you using that number line. Good job, buddy. All right, what is 24 plus 4? Izzy P. You guys should be trying to figure it out in your head, too. You can use your fingers and count up 4 more. So 24, you could say 25, 26, 27,
28.
28. Do you guys agree?
Yeah.
Good job. So that would be the end of that problem. You're done. Not too tricky. All right, this next one here, it went from 17 to 15, 6 to